I'm Dr. Justin Johnson. I'm the dentist at Jefferson City Dental Care here in Jefferson City, Missouri. I grew up in a small town in South Texas called Bandera. I lived there my whole life till it was time to go to college. I went to Brigham Young University. I knew I wanted to be in a field that involved people, and I just explored a bunch of options, and dentistry seemed to be a good fit. I'm married to my wife, Bobby. We have 6 kids: Brock, Austin, Brandon, Eden, Cade, and Lars. We love going to the lake, spending time on the water. You know, on the boat, you've got this 25-foot area where the kids are, we're all tight, close together. There's no internet or iPads or, you're interacting and creating memories. We're just big outdoorsy people. Here at Jefferson City Dental Care, our patient treatment philosophy is simply treat patients how we would want to be treated. Our assistants, our hygienists, the people answering the phones, they all really genuinely care about each patient's individual situation. We take time to get to know their needs, and we try to keep things kind of fun and relaxed. We don't try to be too serious. Going to the dentist can be a really anxiety-provoking experience for lots of people. Our team does a great job of making people feel at ease and being personally interested in each individual patient. And I think our patients feel that. We see patients all the time that have, it's been sometimes 10, 20, 30 years since they've seen a dentist, and they're scared. Sometimes they're ashamed. They feel bad for not having been to the dentist in so long. We take patients like that to be able to show them that we're not judgmental. We don't care how long it's been. The important thing is they've taken the step, and they're here. Now there are things we can do to help them. When we can take a patient like that and show them from their first visit hey, look, now there are things we can do to make sure you get numb, make sure you're comfortable. We do these procedures like root canals or implants, and when the patients leave, and sometimes they're shocked that they didn't feel anything and it was a pain-free experience. That's really rewarding to hear.
My experience coming here has been wonderful. There's a family atmosphere here. Dr. Johnson and his staff, they're excellent people. He actually makes you feel like a family member. And if you don't feel like a family member, you'll at least feel like a best friend of, him and his staff, because that's how comfortable he makes you feel.
Personally, for me, I used to hate going to the dentist. And they'd always make you feel like you didn't know what you were doing about your teeth. You're like, oh, you should be doing more. You're just not, if you only did this, you'd be better. Dr. Johnson never made me feel that way. Neither did any of his technicians. They've always been very encouraging and positive, whereas the first time actually, as Dr. Johnson was looking at my initial, x-rays and everything, he's like, well, this actually doesn't look too bad. He's like, there's some good things here, that we can work with. And he lets you make the decision. He doesn't ever pressure you into going one way or the other, where sometimes I felt other dentists have definitely pressured you to go one way, that's the way you go, where he gives you those options and lets you consider them and gives you all the information you need.
He's really nice, straight up, straightforward. The procedures that he did, you couldn't even tell that he was working on my mouth, where a lot of dentists, when they start giving you shots and all the different things, you can feel every bit of it. I never even knew he was working on me. He was that good.
The staff is a wonderful staff. Everyone is friendly and they make you feel comfortable. Dr. Johnson has the latest and the greatest equipment. He is a very gentle, caring person, and that means a lot to me.
Can't get my baby eat my ice cream.
Everybody yours?